Hello everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I have my Echo Park warehouse box to unbox. I love getting these, they're always such a good value. So these are typically $50 shipped. I got this one for $45 because I was still a club member at the time of ordering it, even though I have not continue my club membership. So that is a perk of being a club with Echo Park, is that you can get a percentage off of your orders. So this is like their mystery warehouse box. This was what the one they dropped around Black Friday. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Actually, I'm going to put this on the floor and bring things up just because it has so many things in it. So there are some chipboard accents and chipboard frames. This one is Welcome Easter, super cute. And I used a lot of my Easter stuff when I did that collab with Party Planner Paperie or Letty, and that was a lot of fun. So I don't think I have much of this or any of it left. And then these ones are chipboard from A Magical Place, and I love this. This is like that Disney-esque. You have your castle here. I don't ever want to grow up. The fun starts now. Oh, happy day. And a dream is a wish your heart makes. And then on the Easter one, you have the hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way, wishing you a colorful Easter, carrot patch, and I love Easter most of all. So those are super cute. And then we have this magical birthday. I use this to make simple cards following Lyric Lover's simple card tutorial, which I also have a tutorial that I did based off of hers. I use these for a craft show, the other pack I had, and they all sold. So this is such a great pack of paper. People love it, and they make really, really cute cards and simple cards. Then there is this embossing folder. I don't know if you can see it. It says it's Carta Bella Designer. Here's the back of it. So it's almost like doilies. I'm not sure if you can tell that from this angle, but they're like really cute doilies. So that's really fun. This is just about the Club Echo Park. All right. And then there is this botanical garden. I actually have a project that I used this for. Not too long ago I made some brag books and it was super cute. I love using the 6x6 paper for that. So I don't think I've edited that video yet, but it'll be up shortly. And this is such a pretty print. I love the botanical garden from Echo Park. Then we have some punch outs. This says Little Dreamer Girl Ephemera. So that is some punch outs. It says be brave. You have the alphabet here. Beautiful girl. You are magic. Play all day. Be a rainbow in the clouds. So these are super cute. I really love that. And I actually like them in the paper form versus in a packet. I just feel like it's easier to see what you have left. This is something I do not think I've ever seen before. So this is by Carta Bella, Homemade with Love. And it has like you know, very like primary colors, flour, sugar, salt, kind of vintagey looking. And then on the back you have your stickers, mix it up, recipes, tonight's menu, lemonade. So that's really cute. So it has 12 12x12 double-sided textured papers and 12x12 element sticker sheet included. And then I don't have this one either. So this is super exciting because a lot of times when I get these, I have lots of repeats. This is called En Vogue. And there is some Eiffel Towers, some purses, looks like some dresses, really pretty. This again is the 12 12x12 double-sided paper and then the 12x12 element sheet. And then these have really fun things. Life is a party, dress like it. Hello gorgeous. You always need a new pair of shoes. Bad days, there's always lipstick. So these are super cute. This would make like a really fun, like, if you like went to Paris or if you're into fashion or maybe prom, like that would make it a lot of fun to do something like this for something with that. Okay. Then we have Fall Break. Love this. I don't have this one either. This is really pretty, classic fall. Lots of plaid, acorns, leaves, Really fun stuff. So this also has the 12 by 12 double-sided textured papers and the 12 by 12 element sheet, Carta Bella. And then on the back we have Leaves Are Falling, Autumn is Calling, Beautiful, Pumpkin Latte Time, Hello Beautiful, Gorgeous Fall. I actually had a sticker of that in the past. You know what, I think I had chipboard pieces because I had these two in chipboard, I remember, and this. So I've seen this before in chipboard, but I did not have the paper, and it is so cute. I wonder if I have any more of that chipboard left. So I know I have some of this. This is Little Lumberjack. This is Echo Park. It's got the 12 by 12 by 12 double-sided papers and a 12 by 12 element sheet. I bought some of this because my father is very much an outdoorsy guy. He does hunting and things like that. So I was going to make a mini album for him with this, and now I have even more of it and the stickers, which I didn't have before. It's just very much like, I feel like, masculine, and I just love it. So this is Camp, Little Lumberjack, Channel the Flannel, Not All Those Who Wander Are Lost, Born to Be an Adventure, and then there's like bears and a moose and teepees and just really fun stuff. So I think this is super cute, and I have a lot of the paper to go with this as I bought them as single sheets. Alright, so then I have some washi here. This is Pool Party, and I may already have this washi because this was one of the Echo Park Club subscription boxes, was the Pool Party. And then I have these puffy stickers. It's also Pool Party. Again, I might have these. I can't remember what was in that box. But there's Summer, Sun, Surf, Sea, Salt, Sand. Ooh, try saying that 5 times fast. I Love Summer, Hello to Summer, Staying Cool by the Pool. So that's really cute. And then this is an art print. It's 5 by 7 inches, and it says Home for the Holidays. And that's actually really cute. I love that. So these are all kind of falling out in the box. This one looks like it's a little bit bent. Let me see. Okay, so these are all of them. This is the Let's Go Anywhere ephemera. It looks like it would match really well with this Little Lumberjack, just by color. So this is kind of cool that you can kind of maybe mix and match that, and like love this. It's like a lake with trees and a sun. This is Time to Vacay. Let's Take the Road Less Traveled. Time to Travel. RV There Yet? That's hilarious. We used to go out in an RV every year, so that is like camping humor that I can get behind. Collect Moments, Not Things, and Here and There. So these are really cute. Be careful, put these over here. Now, while I say I like having the paper ephemera packs, it's only if they stay together. Once they start falling apart, it's kind of frustrating. And there is still more in this box. So I love Summer. Love this. I do have this kit. It has pineapples and beach, seashells, toucans, super cute. On the back we have some stickers that go with the pack. On the back we have the Taste of Summer, Today is Going to Be a Great Day, Hello Sunshine, Best Day Ever, and a lot of fun, bright things to go with the summertime pack. And this one is back to school. This is Echo Park, and it has all kinds of school stuff, chalkboard, pencils, apples. This looks like the cover of the composition books, which is super cool. And then it also has the sticker sheet with it. So in here it has graduation, follow your dreams, a class act, school memories, play nice, work hard, and stay kind. Back to the books, and first day of school, and other really fun school stickers. So this one is called Getaway. This is Echo Park, and it has some really pretty bold colors. Like you have your airplanes, you have some stripes, looks like a world map here, some ticket stubs. And this is, again, it has the 12 pieces, and then the element sticker sheet. So up here it says travel, I'd Go Anywhere with You, First Class, Eiffel Tower, a bike, and some really fun things. So I love this hot air balloon made out of a map. That's super cute. So just a few things left in this box. There's a couple of plain sheets of paper, and it looks like it's just this like blue distressed and green distressed, and it's two 12 by 12 pieces. It says Holly Jolly Christmas is the paper pack. And then I have this summer washi tape. I do have this one as well. This was part of one of the Club Echo Park boxes I got, but it's super cute. And then we have some of that pool party here as well. I'm not going to go through all of these because there is so much stuff in this box, and I think this is such a great value for $45. So let's kind of see what we have here. We have two 12 by 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 packs, two 12 by 12 sheets, 7 packs, 2 of these ephemera sheets, this one that is falling apart, and then the other one that is pretty good to go. Oh, I spoke too soon. As soon as I said that, one fell out. And then I have 2 of the 6x6 paper pads. I have 2 washies, an embossing folder, a puffy sticker sheet, a 12 by 12 paper pad, 2 chipboard accents, and then a Home for the Holidays print. So that's everything that came in this box. I think that's a great value for $45. Let me know down in the comments below, did you get an Echo Park box? Will you be looking for them now? I love getting these. I think they're just great. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And as always, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel here. If you hit that bell below, you'll get notifications when I come out with new videos. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.